Purple one. Here's a purple one. Give me another finger.
The other neighbors here.
How about, whoa, it's sticky. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Oh, it's
Here it is. Hey, I found it. Give me a finger.
Yeah.
Give me this finger. This one.
They found out that,
There's a purple one. Wow.
well,
Very
Michael,
nice.
show us your tattoo.
they got
Where's your
more than
more?
what they needed and now they get rid of them.
No, you want more?
How about a green?
Let's take
More
one.
stickers. Here's a green
Let's
one.
take one.
Michael.
Where did it go? Auntie keeps losing them.
Where's the robot?
Where's the robot? What?
Here, I'll find it. I'll get another one. A green one.
Back up.
I'll get one.
A green one.
I'll get one. I'll get one. A green
No,
one.
green.
You want a green one?
Okay, here we go. This one, we'll put the green by the blue. Uh-oh, I slipped. Uh-oh, it's crooked.
Uh-oh. Down the door. Down
It's on there.
Michael, show us your pretty nails.
Can you go like that? Cheese. What's that? What was that, Michael?
What was this?
You want more?
Can I see it?
Last time.
Here.
You got a pink and purple and green and blue.
Let's put one on your
Donna
thumb.
Dolan.
Yeah, let's put one on your thumb. That's a purple and a pink one. There you go.
Big ones. Purple. Big one.
Okay, give me your other thumb. This is your thumb.
And that's the farmer's.
I found it.
Wait, let it go there. Oh, it fell off. Hang on, hang on. Oh, look at that. I have
400.
two of them on my finger. Okay, give me your thumb. Thumb. This is your thumb, the big one. That's your thumb. Oh, look at how pretty that one is. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Here, look, I found another one.
Wait, no one.
Let me see your other finger.
They hired this idiot that wants to shut
Well, let's put one on your toe. Put your toe up here. There. Now you got one on your toe. Oh, we got to do the other toe.
When they
Michael, you want another one?
Put it up there.
for their sugar, maybe.
There's a purple one.
That wasn't good belly.
Don't show your dad.
Pay that.
Look at that. Wow. Stars on your toes. Let me see your fingers.
Like this? It's easy.
Oh, there? They said
Let me see. Do we have to? Here's a pink one.
Michael, say hi, Daddy.
Michael, say hi,
You
Dad.
want a pink one?
Pink one.
On your pinky? A pink one on your pinky?
Get a whole bunch of warm weather. They need some warm weather.
I think David and Jeremy need to get a hold of him.
Yeah. Poor kid, all his girl cousins and aunts.
Oh, look at this. Is a little one. Look at how tiny it is.
What did you give her?
We'll try another one. I lost it.